Here we go. This is Rookies and Stars number 5, number 5, number 5. Number 5, number 5, number 5. Okay. Rookies and Stars. Rookies and Stars. 2018. Chun Li 1, Jeff 1, Roy 1, John 1, Josh, Melvin, Kyle, and Keith. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Keith, you're on top. Chun Li, you're on the bottom. 5 times for the 5 times. Alright, Keith, AFC North. Roy, NFC North. John, AFC South. Melvin, NFC South. Jeff, AFC East. Josh, NFC East. Kyle, AFC West. Chun Li, NFC West. Alright, any trades there, guys? Are we good to go? Let me know when you guys are ready to go. Dirty D's? Yeah, he's still around. He's still around. Moving on. Greg, where do you think you're going? Good to rip. All right. You guys got any plans for tomorrow? Recruiter? Oh, that'd be cool, Greg. Your buddy Dacey said his thing got moved back a little bit, so that's good. Joe, I'll look after this, man. So we have the Rookies and Stars, 16 by 20 encased. The baseball has 7. TriStar jersey has 9. Premium pack has 12. So that's what we got coming up. Tom Brady, Stars, Dawkins, nice purple Dawkins, Brian Dawkins out of 85. Christian Kirk, Roquan Smith. Ready? Yeah, lots of sports. Matt, you're watching reruns. Drill sergeant school. Nice. Chris Thompson jerseys, NFL authentic. Jimmy G, Ingram, Davenport, Bradley Chubb. See if it says where he went to college. No. Oh, he went to NC State. That's right. He went to NC State. I don't hear too many football studs coming out of NC State. Yeah, I told you guys this yesterday. I went to B-Dubs. Nothing was on TV or watching car auctions. Nothing on there. Adam Thielen, Crusade out of 99. Dak Prescott, Carter Miller. On ESPN 8, the Ocho. Watching some badminton. Some turtle racing. DJ Chark Crusade, Howard, Trubisky, Sutton, and Harrison. What's up, Clark? Philip Rivers until he went to Wisconsin. What up, Clark? Axe throwing. Philip Rivers. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, Philip Rivers, NC State. Russell Wilson went to NC State, huh? Okay, I guess those are decent. Guess those are decently big names. Bosa, Demaryius Thomas, out of 75. Darnold rookie. Davis rookie. Alright, let's see who our auto is. Hopefully Darnold, Baker, Lamar. Where the heck's our other autograph at? Brady, Daniel, and Tyler Conklin. Yeah, Clark, there's 12 left in the premium pack. Did I miss the... Nope. Yeah, I'll have to email them. Boy, they dicked us. Alright, I'll email them. I'll get that done tonight. Let me grab the box. Alright, let's see where these bad boys are going. See where these bad boys are going. I'm just gonna mark the ones that are in cases, but all those cards will go out, guys. And I'll let you know once the auto comes in. I will I'll open it and I'll remember this one. Number 5. I'll write it down. So when the auto comes in, I'll open it, and whoever the auto represents is who it will go to. All right, Eagles, NFC East, Josh. NFC East, you got Chris Thompson. NFC East, Dak Prescott. AFC North, Nick Chubb. And Demaryius Thomas, AFC West, Kyle. All right. Yeah, give me a Ravens rookie that was in the first round. 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Roy. All right, Roy G. Biv. Get you a bonus spot in 75. That was number 5. Rookies and stars. Okay. Let me duplicate that real quick. Up next, we have... Let's take a look. There's 7 left in the premium packs. $16 by 20s next, followed by encased. Baseball has 7. Premium packs has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 left. And then TriStar jersey has a handful. The Optic handful, especially mini 13. So those are all close as well. All right, every night, guys, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Appreciate it. Please subscribe, turn on notifications. Thank you.